This is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to put your AirPods into the pairing mode so you can connect to your phone. So I have an Android phone here, Samsung, and I'm just under the Bluetooth settings right now. So let's go to settings, right here, go to connections, then Bluetooth. Then make sure you press scan on the top and just open up the case on your AirPods. So you can see that light is red, it means it's charging. And if you look on the back, there's a little button. I know there's a case on it, but if you just hold this button down on the back for like 3 seconds, so let's close it down since that light went off, open this back up, and then hold that button down on the back for like 3 seconds, and it's going to cause this light to blink. So you can see that light blinking, and then I can hit scan, and it should detect that phone, it should detect the AirPods now. So it should pop up, here's Timothy's AirPods, we can tap it, go to pair, and now they are connected for calls. So it's just that easy, and then I can unpair it right here, and now it's disconnected. So very easy to do. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. Leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below.